Finally, now you know all the tools required to create a song or music, or any other audio stuff. You can have an export audio file to listen at any media player in many file formats including WAV or MP3. Let's see how to do that. You can see an icon here on the timeline. I'm clicking on it and dragging to select the range of my song to export. In other words, select the start point and end point of the song or music that you're willing to export as an audio file. We call them as locators. After selecting the range properly, go to File in the menu bar, expand the Export section, and select Audio Mix Down. Then you will get a window like this. You can set the file name, path to save the export, exporting file format, and many other options. If you want to export a MP3 file, select MPEG-1 Layer 3 as you see in the window. Also, you can select few other formats by clicking on this drop-down menu. According to the file format, there will be additional details related with the selected file format. Then check the left section. Since we are going to take an export of the final out, select the single channel there and take the stereo out at the bottom section. Click on the Export Audio button to get the audio file. I'll show you how to do. Let's check our files. As you see, our project is exported.